Okay.
Good morning, Bob. My name's Olivia. I'm a student physio. I've just come to see you this morning. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to listen to your chest with this stethoscope, okay?
Very crackly on the left side here, and it's almost silent on the right.
So I'm just going to come under your gown here, if that's all right.
See if you can hear what's coming out.
And if you could take some deep breaths for me.
What was his temperature?
You hear that?
Lovely. And to the side over here as well. Great. And down here.
Is that a conversation?
And over here, keep taking those deep breaths for me. And I'll come round the side here as well.
I think there's a...
Is it not coming from there? Like, I think it's got the light turned on.
And finally round here as well.
Go and have a look.
Lovely, thank you very much.